Want to make 1 crore? You don't need to be lucky. You just need simple math. Everyone wants to become rich, but almost nobody asks the right question. They ask, how can I make 1 crore? Wrong question. The real question is, how many people do I need to help? Think about it. If your product costs 1,000 rupees, you only need 10,000 customers to generate 1 crore in revenue. If your product costs 500 rupees, you need just 20,000 customers. That's it. 1 crore isn't magic. It's simple math. Rich people don't chase money. They build something people are happy to pay for. Stop dreaming about becoming rich overnight. Start thinking about solving real problems. Because money follows value, not the other way around. Here's the truth nobody teaches you. A job pays you for your time. A business pays you for your value. When you work for someone else, your income has a limit. But when you own a business, your income grows with every customer. Imagine selling 1 product every day. Now imagine selling 100 products every day. Did your working hours increase? No. Your systems improved. Your marketing improved. Your brand improved. That's why businesses create millionaires. Not because business is easy, but because business has no income ceiling. Stop asking, who will give me money? Start asking, what can I sell that genuinely improves someone's life?